How's everyone doing? We're going to do the Topps Tribute 2012 box break for pack number 1. Factory sealed box. Let's get started. Hopefully we get some good pulls here. Empty box. I'm gonna random these up. Gonna mark them up. Back 1, back 2, back 3, back 4, pack 5, finally pack 6. So I'm going to do one pack at a time. All the other ones are listed on eBay still. If you want to join in, they're still available. So let's get started. Hopefully you get what you want. So the first card is going to be Eddie Murray, Baltimore Orioles. Not numbered. Then we have Roger Maris for the New York Yankees. Not numbered. Chase Utley for the Phillies. Another Chase Utley, the numbered card, numbered to 75. It's a pretty nice card. And the autograph is going to be Ivan Nova for the Yankees, numbered to 99. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. It's a really nice card. Once again, that was pack 1. You can still get in on pack 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hope you're all happy. I'm going to send everyone a card that didn't win anything, so everybody gets something. Thank you for doing the box break.